We've come to this place to see if it's haunted. We've heard from many past experiences that it was, but we decided to come today to see. We've been hearing many strange noises. Kristen, what's that? Kristen here. Kristen.
I don't see attack.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! What was that? Kristen? Kristen, what? What is that? Who's there? Gosh. Kristen! What? Who's there? Who's there?
It's okay, Gabby.
Should I come? Where are you?
Help me.
Where are you?
Join us, Gabby.
Who's
We'll
there?
come for you anyway.
Who's there? What?
We'll come for you anyway.
What? Get away! What?
I'm here.
Stop it! Stop it!
Shut up! I killed her.